Quick, what is the most important thing you can do to improve your Japanese pronunciation right now? The answer, saying words with the small tsu and the long vowels correctly.
Beginners, intermediates, advanced students, it's all about timing. There are other aspects of pronunciation to consider. For example, the 5 vowel sounds, the hard sounds like the R's and the tsu, and of course, pitch accents. But I believe the most important aspect of Japanese pronunciation is getting the timing of words down.
Timing?
Yes, think of Japanese as a musical language. Every mora represents a single beat. What's a mora, you ask? A mora is a unit of sound pretty much equivalent to a single kana. For example, u is a mora, and sho is a mora. But sho is 2 moras, or 2 beats. But notice this is still only 1 syllable. So with regard to Japanese, think in moras, not syllables. Why? Because thinking in moras will enable you to sound out the correct number of beats in a word. This will make your Japanese more understandable. And the 2 most important aspects are the small tsu and the long vowels, the chon. As a beginner, I learned a lot of my words by looking at romaji. Don't do that. Romaji is evil. You should know that by now. But one major reason why you shouldn't learn vocabulary by looking at romaji is that you can't tell the number of moras. You can tell the syllables, sure, but that's not helpful at all. So when you learn words, be sure to pay close attention to the long vowel sounds and the small tsu. We'll look at both the small tsu and the long vowels more closely in a separate video, but allow me to illustrate this with a single word: school. 学校. When I first started out with Japanese, I would say something like this: I'm going to 学校. My Japanese friends would shake their head and say, Clay-san. It is not 学校, it's
学校
That's what I said, I replied. 学校. Don't be like me 20 years ago. School in Japanese isn't 学校, it's
学校
Quick, how many mora is that? 4. Correct. Even though it is 2 syllables, you should pronounce the word as if there are 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 学校. 1, 2, 3, 4.
学校学校学校学校
Homework. From now on, whether you are a total beginner or you've been around the block a few times, pay closer attention to the small tsu and the long vowels. I promise you this will improve your pronunciation while also making you more understandable. And of course, that's our goal, isn't it, with learning Japanese? Well, I hope that's useful, but we'll look at these closer in an upcoming video. Until next time.
チャンネル登録してね